Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a revisitation of an FRQ that I did 2 days ago. This is the 2016 Calculus BC free response question number 1, requiring a graphing calculator. I was very appropriately asked by a certain individual who loves ketchup about B and C, and I apologize. I made 2 pretty egregious errors on there, so I definitely want to make sure that I address those before we get this thing out of hand here. Everything about the problem was correct. I got the right answer. It's 8,050. Plug into the calculator. This is my left-hand rule. And I did something really ridiculous. And I even said, look, R of t is decreasing. So no matter how it's decreasing, it could be decreasing concave down or decreasing concave up, our estimation is going to be an overestimation. And I apologize. I wrote down that it was an underestimation. So I need to fix that. So I need to say that R of t is decreasing on 0 to 8. And therefore, a left-hand Riemann sum will be an overestimation. So I apologize. I can't believe I even drew the picture and then put down the wrong answer, but I guess some days you're the pigeon, some days you're the statue. So that is B revised. Let's take a look at C. C, I feel like I just wrote down the wrong number. They're asking me for, using my answer from part B, I have to estimate the total amount of water in the tank. The setup was totally good. So it's 50,000 plus the integral from 0 to 8 of the entering function. So that's W of t dt. And then I'm going to subtract the integral from 0 to 8 of R of t dt. Well, this is going to be 8,050 because we saw that in the last answer. But if I wanted to just put this into the calculator, since I have the function in my calculator already preloaded, so if you see it, there it is. And so I'll just go ahead and just do it. So 50,000 plus the integral from 0 to 8 of f1 of x dx minus 8,050. That should get me the answer that I'm looking for. So I wrote down the wrong thing. So it should be this number, this 49786.195. So, with this being the number that I'm looking for, they actually tell me to round to the nearest liter. So that means that at the end of the day, there are 49786 liters into the tank. Okay, I think that will wrap it up for the revisitation of B and C in this FRQ. I apologize for the mistake, and I really do appreciate all of you putting the comments in, especially the person who asked me the question to ask me to revise these answers. I definitely owe you a bottle of ketchup when we see each other next. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. See ya.